But it couldn't handle your shit. I can tell it wasn't gonna work. She gon' spend it all on the purse. Her hair and toes done too. What has he done for you? I might just blow it all on you. I'm the one you call on to. Fall back and fall on you.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making my Cajun pasta. So I had went ahead and cut my bell peppers and onions off camera, but you can slice your bell peppers however you want. You can dice them. I also slice my smoked sausages. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil into the skillet so we can go ahead and fry these sausages. Once your olive oil is hot and ready, you're going to throw your sausages in. And we're going to mix those sausages all over so we can get that olive oil all over so it can start frying. And we're going to also go ahead and start seasoning, because remember, this is a Cajun pasta, so you want your pasta to have all that Creole flavor. Alright, now if you want your sausages this color, you can take them out right now. Me, I want them a little darker. So this is now how I want my sausages to look. So I'm going to go ahead and take these sausages out and set them to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and use the same skillet and throw in our shrimp. If you need to add more olive oil, you can add it as you go. And it looks like it's a lot of shrimp in here and it's cluttered and it's not going to cook, but it is. Because trust me, when shrimp cook, it shrinks. So make sure you get a nice size shrimp. And we're going to go ahead and season these shrimps. And I'm using the same season I use for the sausages. Make sure you stir that shrimp around. Make sure all that flavor and olive oil is coming together. Now while our shrimp is cooking, I had some water boiling and I added some garlic salt. We're going to go ahead and add our pasta in, and make sure you stir your pasta as you go so it do not stick together. Alright, so now my shrimp is exactly how I want it. It looks so good and it's so sweet. Oh my God, look, so delicious. So I'm going to take the shrimp out. And as you're taking the shrimp out, you want to try to leave as much seasoning oil that we created with our meats into that skillet, because we're going to use that into our pasta. That is what's going to make our pasta have that good Cajun seasoning. So I don't know where that other part went, but what I did was add a little more olive oil, add 2 tablespoons of butter, and I went ahead and threw in my veggies into that skillet. Now I'm going ahead and season it with the same seasons I use. However, this time I'm using paprika as well, because we want our pasta sauce to have that red color pretty. And we're just getting it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. And you see all that grease that's in there? That is the flavor that we're looking for. That's what's going to make your pasta so good. Alright, so our pasta noodles is done. You don't want to overcook them and make them all soggy. We're going to go ahead and drain the pasta noodles. Now that I drained my pasta noodles, we're going to add a little olive oil and stir it up so that they don't stick and get dry as we wait for our pasta sauce to finish. And once you're done stirring your pasta together, you're going to put a lid on, or you can cover it with aluminum foil and put it to the side. Now that our sauce is boiling, we're going to go ahead and add our cheese. And with the cheese, it's going to help thicken your sauce. So with me, I added that whole cart of Parmesan as I went, just not all at once. So I was stirring and adding cheese as I go. Yeah, y'all see me cleaning as I go. You got to keep your kitchen clean. And you want to keep stirring so it don't burn, because you see it's still boiling. Alright, now that my sauce is done, y'all see that pretty red color? Yes. Go ahead and mix that sauce into your noodles. You're gonna mix all that together. Make sure everything is incorporated into those pasta noodles. And now we're gonna add our shrimp and sausages. You're even gonna put that juice in there. Use all that because we need all that flavor. That looks so good, y'all. My house was smelling so good. Look at that, saucy. That's what saucy is, y'all, right there. See that sauce? Don't have no dry sauce, y'all. Look at that sauce. So I'm gonna start plating this pasta. Look at that, drippy. So as you plating, you know, because we mixed our meats into our pasta, our meats are probably at the bottom. So once you put your pasta on your plate, make sure you put some shrimp pieces and sausages on top of that pasta, because you know you have to have shrimp and sausage in every bite. And here is the finished dish, y'all. Look at that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how y'all like this dish. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. I'm on a journey to 1,000. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.
Fall back and fall on run with it. Shawty ain't scared. Shawty ain't scared.